So I want to not touch on any specific company because that would be unfair for the rest. But we've frequently been asked about for example, the piece of our investments, right? In a everyone is foreseeing an economic turndown, so investors and a lot of stakeholders are questioning whether this is the right moment to be investing in technologies, or an economic turndown will potentially slow down the pace of adoption for technology, right? So the typical elimination of the innovation budget whenever the company is struggling. But we kind of analyze it from a little bit more holistic perspective, not just from a potential economic turndown, but also about from all the other variables that are coming into place. For example, an increased sustainability pressure, what we are discussing today, an increased inflationary environment with supply chain disruptions, geopolitical instability today more than ever, and of course an increased pressure on energy, access to different sources of energies, and so on. And of course, I can't forget about labor scarcity. All of these, it's and again, in an environment that, even though some aspects of it might be slowing down, then some other aspects, particularly from a government investment perspective, that actually accelerating. Since COVID, you had all these incentives from a infrastructure perspective and so on, right? So what we are seeing is that there are major projects still underway that needs to be developed in this much more complex environment,